My Optimus Prime. My Optimus Prime. My Optimus Prime. My Optimus Prime. Great. Oh, there you are. So, do you want to make another? So, we're gonna do another review. Yay! That's cool, I guess. So, can I make a little observation before you continue? What's that? Well, I see that you got a brand new, spanking, sunny, new Aerosol backdrop. Oh, do you want me to get my Optimus Prime backdrop for you like every 3 months or so? You don't have to, I mean. That would be nice. We're gonna go to we're gonna go in my room later. Oh, so that's how it's gonna be. Oh, that's how it's gonna be. All right, stay right here, and we'll go get my trailer. No, my Optimus Prime, come back over here. My Optimus Prime, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, dude. I'm very sorry. You know what? I see what I can do. Okay, I promise you. I see what I can do. That's all I ask. So, what will we be reviewing? What will we be reviewing today? Well, we're gonna be reviewing something from race cars. Race cars? Oh, you're talking about that fast show of 10 race cars? So, yeah, is that fast race car show 10 race cars? So, okay. Somebody's here. Alright, so here we go. Woo! I'm making a video right now. Alright, so here we go. Here we got race car. And it's vehicle mode right here. So, there he is. And he has 4 wheels. Right here. Right here. Oh, I was sprinting. You know what, guys? I'll play with that for like 5 hours. Okay. That wheel. And that wheel. Oh. Sorry guys, I tried the car. I'm not good at like movie things. Sorry guys. I'm very sorry. Alright, like I was saying, here's race car. What is this? Go back to the review. Okay. So here's his face. And oh, come on. Yeah, there's this switch that used to turn on the race car, but guess what? Ever saw it, his grandma lost it. It went deep. Why I can't even see it. It's that hole right here. Right there. Alright, so let's turn, that's where the battery and everything was. So let's turn this thing back around. This race car back around. Not again. There we go, guys. So here he is in his robot mode. There he is, right here. Oh. Yeah, the favorite part of this toy is that right there. I know I already told you guys this, but I played with this thing for like 5 hours. We know. Okay, so there's a light, another light right there. Want this again? Stop ruining my fun! Okay, I'm sorry. Stop it. Okay. Back up. Alright. So keep backing up. Yeah, like that. Back up. Optimus. Right. Your gigantic feet. Push the race car into the sink. Oh shoot! Sorry, guys. Don't curse me out and everything. Sorry. All right. So there he is, and you can use your hammer hand. What? You can use your hammer hand. Use it. What? You can use your hammer hand. Use it. Oh. Here we go, guys. Oh my God, this round. That's enough. Stop before you push him in the sink again. I'm never stopping. Oh my God, this round. Stop it. Stop. Never. Oh my God, you guys. He's still going. I'm never stopping. Yeah. Optimus, quit already. Sorry. See, you got me in trouble. How? Alright. Answer. Sorry. Aerosol just got in trouble because I was seeing the race car with my hammer hand too much. How's your arm feel now? Feels great. My hand feels great. Yeah. What's that sound? See, look, you lost your hammer hand arm for hitting stuff too much. Your arm came off. Just put my freaking arm on. Put my freaking arm on, please. Put it on. This is all the guys. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, thank you. Do not ever hit stuff with your hammer hand too much, or your arm will fall off. Maybe both of them one day. Oh shit! I'll never do that. Okay. So like I was saying, here's the race car. All right, and this is Megadis Prime saying bye. Aerosol, cut the camera. Aerosol, cut the camera. I like watching you score. Aerosol, just cut the fall. Bye, guys.